Hi there, Apple fans. Here's the news about Apple's brand new smartphones for the year 2025. So, Apple releases new iPhone lineups every year, but this year is more special for Apple fans because they are getting a new upgrade for the camera design on their Pro models. Apple also comes up with a brand new phones for which people are excited about. Yes, Apple has decided to launch a slim iPhone named as iPhone Air or iPhone Slim, replacing the iPhone Plus model. This iPhone will be the slimmest iPhone ever. It will be like an iPod Touch, but only it is even bigger in display and slimmer in size. In addition to that, Apple has also decided to add new design to the Pro models because of the addition of Pro camera with the performance improvement. So basically, Apple is going to release iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Slim, then iPhone 17 Pro, and finally iPhone 17 Pro Max. So the base range of iPhone 17 will be having three storage variants: 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Slim might be having the new storage variants as the iPhone 17 as well, like 128GB. In addition to 128GB, there will be like 256GB and 512GB. The iPhone 17 Pro will be the only model which will be having four storage variants like the 16 Pro Max released last year, namely 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. Then the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be having the top three storage variants, namely 256GB, 512GB and finally 1TB. So what would be your favorite iPhone pick for the year 2025, and what would be your favorite storage variant pick? Leave the thought in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video and share this video with your friends and family members. Take care. Bye bye.